Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Keychron K3 is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about mechanical keyboards in recent times, and for good reason, as it manages to pack a full-fledged typing experience into an incredibly slim and portable form factor, making it a compelling option for anyone seeking a compact and stylish keyboard that doesn't compromise on functionality or aesthetics. And today we're diving deep to see if it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Keychron K3 75% Layout Bluetooth Mechanical Keyboard. Introducing the K2, a compact 75% layout mechanical keyboard designed to maximize your productivity. It retains all the essential shortcut and arrow keys you need. Effortlessly connect and switch between up to 3 devices using its advanced Bluetooth 5.1. It's perfect for seamlessly integrating with your smartphone, laptop, and tablet. Enjoy a unique Mac layout with all the necessary function keys, while also being fully compatible with Windows. Both operating systems are supported with included keycaps. With a massive 4000 mAh battery, it offers up to 72 hours of typing or a full week of normal use. Experience N-key rollover in wired mode for ultimate precision. Feel the satisfying linear response of the super mechanical red switches, built for a 50 million keystroke lifespan. The charming white LED backlight ensures comfortable typing even in low light. Whether you prefer the reliability of a USB Type-C wired connection or the freedom of Bluetooth, this keyboard offers both options to suit your workflow. What we like. This keyboard offers a compact 75% layout, perfect for saving desk space while keeping essential keys. It features a clean white LED backlight for typing in low light. If you primarily use a Mac and need a keyboard that perfectly matches its layout and function keys, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The overall package was made with a considerable amount of quality. The construction feels solid and sturdy. Typing feels awesome. It looks amazing on my desk and blends well with my Mac and all my accessories. The keyboard was able to meet all those expectations: responsive Bluetooth wireless connectivity, able to simultaneously pair with up to 3 devices, worked with Windows, Mac OS, Linux Ubuntu, Android, and iOS. Blue switches gave that clicky feel and sound, without making typing strenuous. Battery life of at least 16 hours of straight wireless use. Number 4. Keychron K3 Tenkeyless Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Introducing the Keychron K3, a Tenkeyless wireless mechanical keyboard designed for both Mac and Windows users. It comes with all the essential multimedia and function keys you need for seamless multitasking across both operating systems. This 80% layout keyboard gives you direct access to navigation keys like Home, End, and Page Up. The OEM profile shine-through keycaps ensure excellent visibility, even in low light. Connect up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth 5.1 and switch between them effortlessly. It also offers a reliable USB Type-C wired mode for a stable connection. Experience satisfying tactile feedback with our brown switches, built for a 50 million keystroke lifespan. Enjoy a comfortable typing experience with great ergonomic support. With a large 4000 mAh battery, it can last up to 200 hours on a single charge with the backlight off. The adjustable feet provide excellent ergonomic support for long typing sessions. The clean white backlight enhances visibility and adds a touch of style to your setup. It's perfect for both work and light gaming. What we like. This TKL keyboard provides a full set of navigation keys, ideal for those who need them without the numpad. The tactile brown switches offer a satisfying typing feel without being too loud. If you spend long hours typing and value comfort and a balanced typing experience, this keyboard is a great fit for you. What people say. The Bluetooth connectivity is consistent, and the battery lasts a decently long time, I would say a couple of days to a week, several hours a day of use, with lighting on medium or high, and it's very easy to connect and use it while it charges. It connects pretty easily to Bluetooth, and I love that it is able to connect to 3 devices. Keychron brown switches are for you. They just feel crisper and also easier to press. Number 3. Keychron K2 V2 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Introducing the Keychron K2 version 2, a compact 84-key mechanical keyboard. It features a vibrant RGB backlight and a sleek aluminum frame, perfect for any setup. Effortlessly connect and switch between up to 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.1. It's ideal for use with your smartphone, laptop, and tablet, offering broad compatibility. Designed with a unique Mac layout, it includes all necessary function keys and is also fully compatible with Windows. Both operating systems are supported with included keycaps. Enjoy up to 72 hours of typing on a single charge thanks to its large 4000 mAh battery. It offers Keychron rollover in wired mode for superior gaming performance. Experience unrivaled tactile responsiveness with durable Keychron mechanical switches. These switches are built to last for 50 million keystrokes, providing a satisfying typing experience. This keyboard offers the flexibility of both Bluetooth wireless and USB Type-C wired connections. Choose the mode that best suits your needs for home, office, or gaming. What we like. This compact 75% keyboard boasts a vibrant RGB backlight, allowing for extensive customization to match your setup or mood. The premium aluminum frame adds durability and a sophisticated look. If you're looking for a stylish keyboard with customizable lighting and a robust build for both work and gaming, this one stands out. What people say. Bluetooth is rock solid, with never a glitch or delay, ever. In fact, the connection is far more reliable than with Apple's Magic Trackpad 2 that I bought at the same time. The keyboard is a perfect weight. Not too heavy but not light enough to slide around on your desk. The RGB lights are nice but not necessary. A nice gimmicky addition. The keys themselves are a nice two-tone gray color that makes the keyboard sleek and minimalistic. Number 2. Keychron K3 version 2 wireless mechanical keyboard. Introducing the Keychron K3 version 2, an ultra-slim wireless mechanical keyboard designed for ultimate productivity. Experience a tactile typing sensation like never before. Effortlessly switch between up to 3 devices with its stable Bluetooth 5.1 connection. This makes multitasking between your laptop, tablet, and phone incredibly seamless. Enjoy a unique Mac layout with all the essential multimedia keys, while remaining fully compatible with Windows. We've included extra keycaps for both operating systems. Its redesigned low-profile mechanical switches are 40% slimmer, offering faster input and feedback. This provides a quicker and more responsive typing experience. Crafted with a reinforced aluminum body, it's one of the thinnest and lightest wireless mechanical keyboards available. The floating keycaps and charming white backlight add a modern touch. What we like. This keyboard is incredibly slim and lightweight, making it exceptionally portable and easy on your wrists. Its low-profile switches offer a faster typing experience with less travel. If you prioritize a sleek, minimalist design and a quick typing feel, especially if you move your keyboard around often, this ultra-slim option is ideal. What people say. It connects via USB or Bluetooth, and can switch between 3 different devices with a keystroke. Also comes with keycaps for both Mac and Windows. The brightness adjustment for the backlight is intuitive and bright enough to type comfortably even in dark rooms. All the keys function perfectly, including the function row and multimedia shortcuts. The K3 at only 7/8 thick feels fine without one. Key travel is also quite good. Fresh out of the box, I don't seem to have lost any typing speed compared with the MacBook Pro keyboard which I've been using for the last few years. Number 1. Keychron K6 65% compact wireless mechanical keyboard. Introducing the Keychron K6, a compact 65% layout mechanical keyboard designed to enhance your productivity. It's crafted to maximize your workspace while keeping all essential keys within easy reach. This keyboard offers a unique Mac layout with Windows compatibility and dedicated arrow keys. It includes extra keycaps for both operating systems, ensuring a seamless experience. Connect with up to 3 devices via reliable Bluetooth 5.1 and switch between them effortlessly. It's perfect for multitasking with your smartphone, laptop, or tablet. Experience unrivaled tactile responsiveness with the Keychron Blue Switch, offering a satisfying click and a durable 50 million keystroke lifespan. Enjoy Keychron rollover in wired mode for ultimate precision. With a large 4000 mAh battery, it lasts up to 200 hours without backlight. Its ergonomic design with adjustable feet provides great comfort for extended typing sessions. Choose between a reliable USB Type-C wired connection or the convenience of wireless Bluetooth. It's ideal for home, office, and light gaming use. What we like. This keyboard features a highly compact 65% layout, freeing up significant desk space for your mouse. It comes with clicky Keychron blue switches for an audible and tactile typing experience. If you want the smallest possible keyboard that still includes dedicated arrow keys and enjoy the satisfying click of blue switches, this is the one for you. What people say. Hot swappable switches allow for easy modification and upgrades. The large battery lasts for weeks on a single charge, significantly outperforming other keyboards. Bluetooth connectivity is smooth and fast, connecting to devices like Macs in about 1 second. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.